In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can withdraw your money from Fiverr. Now, I've been using Fiverr for years and everything has changed now, like they made it a little bit complicated to withdraw your money. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can withdraw your money, and I'm going to be showing you guys like how many payment methods that you can choose from so that you can withdraw your money. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, of course, you have to switch to selling account in the top. Now, after you switch, guys, to selling account, you want to click on your profile in the top right, and then you want to click on billing. Now you will see here you want to click on available balances, as you can see in the right, available balances, and here you will find how much money you have. For example, that says here available for withdrawal. You will see here how much money you have for that are available at that moment, so that you can withdraw that money right now. And here you will find how much money from cancelled orders. But what you need, guys, now is you want to click on your earning page. You want to click on your earning page, and it will take you guys to this page. And here you want to check for balance available for use. Now you want to check how much money you have here, and as you can see, and here you will see how much money you have withdraw since you have created your account. Okay, and here payments being cleared. So payments being cleared means you will have to wait for the customer to confirm that they have received their order. After that, it moves to balance available for use. Okay, now here it says here payments being cleared. As you can see, payments being cleared move into your available balance after they clear, like after the customer receives the order, then they move here. Okay, now what you need, guys, to withdraw the money, you want to click on withdraw balance, or if you can't click it, click on manage payout methods. Okay, after you click, guys, on manage payout methods, then you can choose from. Now for me, I only have $0, like I don't even have any balance right now. But for you, you will be able to click on PayPal. As you can see, when I try to click on PayPal, it says no earnings to withdraw. Now for you, you can choose PayPal or you can choose bank transfer. I use Payoneer, so you have to create an account. Of course, a lot of people that withdraw money from Fiverr, like 99% of them, they use Payoneer. So you will have to search for Payoneer, and yeah, I will leave a link in the description. Click on that link, and then you want to create an account on Payoneer. You want to add your credit card, stuff like that, and that's it. Now after you create, guys, Payoneer, you want to click on bank transfer, and then you can then link your Payoneer to your Fiverr account so that you can withdraw money anytime you want. Okay, now if you want, you can use PayPal. You can just click PayPal, enter the information, and then you can withdraw this money on PayPal. So if this video, guys, helped you, or if you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. So drop a like on this video, and see you guys in the next video.